Surface mining is one of the most common forms of mining in the world today. Though it gives us resources, its effect on the Earth's environment is extremely harmful.
Hello there, my name is Weston Terrell. I'm going to take you on a journey of surface mining. You might be wondering, what is surface mining?
Well, according to the Federation for American Coal Energy and Security, surface mining is a highly regulated, highly sophisticated mining method used to mine coal that is near the surface of the Earth. It relies on advanced hydrological and civil engineering techniques to safely extract the coal. Its main objective is to obtain coal, which is one of the most widely used minerals around the world and an extremely important source of energy, as well as many other ores and minerals.
One of the most common forms of surface mining is strip mining.
Strip mining is a category of surface mining. Strip mining is used when a ore of bed covers a wide area but is not very deep. It uses a system involving layer by layer mining until it reaches a layer of coal. Then, the layer of coal is excavated and exported to the surface. The first step in strip mining is to remove trees, shrubs, and all vegetation in the surrounding area. Then, drill holes to place explosives in, which will loosen the thin layer of rock and soil, known as overburden, so that it can be easily removed by bulldozers. After the removal of the overburden, the minerals are ready to be extracted from the site.
Given what you learned, what do you think of strip mining?
Well, it seems like an efficient and timely way of obtaining resources like coal.
But you are wrong.
Oh,
Although strip mining has its positives, such as obtaining coal in a timely and efficient manner, it has its negatives. These negatives are hurting our environment and everything in the area.
Through constantly creating craters in the earth, the excess amount of dust particles go into the atmosphere, polluting our air. As the air becomes more and more polluted, there is an increase in upper respiratory conditions in humans, such as allergies and asthma. There has even been reports that air pollution has led to lung disorders in some people. Coal dust inhalation causes black lung disease among miners and those who live nearby, and mine accidents kill thousands every year. Also, the heavy machinery used in surface mining and strip mining releases carbon monoxide into the air. Alone, carbon monoxide is an extremely dangerous chemical, possessing the potential to, when inhaled, block the flow of the oxygen to vital organs in our bodies. The carbon monoxide also is able to react with oxygen in the air to form CO2, a dangerous chemical which, if inhaled by children, can harm their brain development as well as the cognitive abilities of both adults and children. Mining coal, according to the Greenpeace Association, can ignite coal fires, which can burn for decades, release fly, ash, and smoke laden with greenhouse gases and toxic chemicals. Furthermore, mining releases coal mine methane, a greenhouse gas 20 times more powerful than carbon dioxide.
The effects of strip mining aren't just harmful to us. It is also very harmful to the environment around us.
Another effect of strip mining is that it causes soil erosion. Soil erosion is a process when the landscape slowly dies and becomes a dry field of land, or also known as desertification. The Greenpeace Association claims that strip mining is one of the main advocates for the destruction of landscapes, forests, and wildlife habitats, such as trees, plants, and other types of vegetation. The destruction of these landscapes, forests, and wildlife habitats then leads to soil erosion and the destruction of the land that could have been used for agriculture and farming. Now, let's explore a current event about strip mining. In the Appalachian mountain range, the effects of surface mining is seen through the rise in toxins into Appalachian River. After the process of washing the coal dust and the chemical agents used remain as liquid waste or coal sludge, which are very dangerous toxins. The liquid waste is usually injected into old underground mines. The effect of injecting the liquid waste into the mines result in groundwater contamination and soil erosion. These mines, which were likely to enter a public water supply, pose a threat towards human health and the wilderness. For this reason, slurry impoundments were created to hold the liquid waste. If any of these impoundments placed around the Appalachian Mountains were to be destroyed, the toxins would kill the wildlife in the area and pollute the river even more. An example of how serious liquid waste is seen in the year 2000. A slurry impoundment was destroyed and over 300 gallons of liquid waste flooded the Big Sandy River for over 100 miles downstream, which killed many wildlife inhabitants. The worst part about this problem is it can be fixed by stopping surface mining. Even knowing the consequences of doing so, we still do it. The easiest way to combat the negative effects of surface mining and strip mining is to go green. By switching to solar or wind energy, we will not need to rely on coal as our main source of energy. Solar energy is relatively cheap and a great eco-friendly way of producing energy, and most importantly, does not release any toxins or dangerous chemicals, as well as harm the environment in any way.
Surface mining is possibly the most commonly practiced form of obtaining minerals such as coal in our society today. Though, despite its timely and efficient manner, its negative effects on our environment as well as our society are completely outweighed by the negatives of the process.